ABML Morning Update. Bazooka of Q2 GDP print propels Nifty to new high, however, does little to soothe currency. Indian rupee slips to record low, Nifty ends in red. Global markets. US stocks fell on Monday following cryptocurrencies lower as volatility continued into December's trading month. The S&P 500 lost 0.53%, while the Nasdaq Composite shed 0.38%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average pulled back by 427.09 points or 0.9% to settle lower. All three indexes snapped 5-day win streaks. Wall Street is coming off a strong week with the Dow and S&P 500 jumping more than 3%, while the Nasdaq rallied close to 5%. However, the market turned turbulent in November with volatility taking over. The S&P 500 and Dow closed modestly above flat for the month, while the Nasdaq shed 1.5%, breaking a 7-month winning streak. At one point, the tech-heavy Nasdaq was down nearly 8% from its October close, amid growing concerns over AI stock valuations. European stocks ended Monday in negative territory, with the Stoxx 600 closing the day 0.2% lower. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a flattish note on December 1st. At close, the Sensex was down 0.08% at 85,642, and the Nifty was also down 0.10% at 26,176. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 28 points at 26,332, signaling a negative start to the trading session. India's manufacturing sector slowed in November, with the PMI easing to 56.6 from October's 59.2, marking a 9-month low as steep US tariffs dampened demand. Growth in factory output and new orders weakened to their slowest pace since February due to challenging market conditions, delays in project starts, and rising competition. International demand also softened, with export orders recording their weakest rise in over a year, partly reflecting a sharp drop in shipments to the US amid punitive tariffs that contributed to a record trade deficit. While the broader economy had expanded strongly in the previous quarter, manufacturing appears to be cooling, and expectations for future output have fallen sharply as earlier tax cuts are no longer enough to offset the tariff-driven pressure on demand. Focus for the day: Eurozone CPI, key corporate developments and policy actions. Bharat Dynamics secures 2,462 crore rupees defense orders from Indian Army. Prashant Khandelwal of Alembic resigned as head of international business formulations. Uno Minda acquires 49.9% stake from Bühler Motor GmbH, making Uno Minda Bühler Motor Private Limited a 100% subsidiary. Amber Enterprises arm acquires 80% stake in Shogini TechnoArts for 506 crore rupees. Ambuja Cement has commissioned a 4 million tons per annum brownfield expansion at its clinker unit in Bhatapara, Chhattisgarh. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 11.39 billion rupees, while DII bought for 20.37 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.